Hi there, I am Alex Cunningham, and I will walk you through this Shopify tutorial step by step.
If you run a Shopify store and want to boost your product pages with real customer feedback, importing reviews straight from Amazon is a game changer. In today's step-by-step tutorial, I'm going to show you exactly how to import reviews from Amazon right into your Shopify store so you can build trust, increase conversions, and give your visitors the proof they need to buy. By the end of this video, you'll be able to bring in Amazon reviews for any product you sell with just a few clicks, even if you're using the free plan. All right, let's dive right in. First, make sure you're logged into your Shopify admin page. This is your command center where you manage everything for your store. If you're not sure how to get there, it's usually your store name, myshopify.com/admin. Take a moment to double check you're in the right place. It's important because all the tools you need are right here. Now, look for the sidebar on the left-hand side and click on Apps. Apps in Shopify are like adding tools to your workbench. They expand what your store can do, giving you features that aren't built into Shopify by default. In this case, we're going to add a powerful app for importing reviews. In the search bar at the top of the apps page, type EZ Review. The full name is EZ Amazon Reviews Importer, and this is the app that'll do all the heavy lifting for us. Take your time and make sure you select the correct app, because there are quite a few review importers out there, and you want to make sure you've got the one that matches this tutorial. Once you see EZ Amazon Reviews Importer pop up, go ahead and click Install. Shopify will walk you through the installation process. It's straightforward, and you just have to grant the app permission to connect to your store. This might take a minute, but don't worry, you only have to do it once. With the app installed, now it's time to grab those reviews from Amazon. Open up a new browser tab and head over to Amazon.com. In the search bar, type the name of your product. For example, let's say you sell a red t-shirt. Just enter that and look through the results. Find the exact product you want reviews from. I recommend picking one that matches your store's product as closely as possible because the reviews should feel authentic and relevant to what you're actually selling. Once you've found the right Amazon product, copy the URL from your browser's address bar. This is the direct link the app will use to pull the reviews. It's a simple copy and paste, but double check you have the full link, so the app finds the right listing. Now, hop back over to the EZ Amazon Reviews Importer app in your Shopify admin. You'll find a place to paste in that Amazon URL. Right here, you'll also see options for filtering which reviews you want to bring into your store. For example, you can choose to only import reviews with 4 or 5 stars if you want to highlight the most positive feedback. I think that's a great way to put your best foot forward, but you can also mix it up if you'd prefer to show a more balanced view. Keep in mind, if you're on the free plan for the EZ Amazon Reviews Importer, there is a limit. You're able to import up to 20 reviews per product. So take a moment to pick the reviews you feel represent your product best. Sometimes less is more. A handful of thoughtful, high-quality reviews can go a long way in convincing your shoppers. Once you've got everything set the way you want, all you have to do is click the Import Amazon Reviews button. The app will do the rest. You'll see the reviews appear on your Shopify product page, instantly adding social proof and credibility for anyone browsing your store. And that's it. The whole process takes just a few minutes. If you found this walkthrough helpful, please give the video a thumbs up. And if you have any questions about this process or run into any issues, let me know in the comments below. I'm always happy to help. Don't forget to subscribe for more tutorials just like this, so you can keep building your store with confidence. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next guide.